And samantalang dito naman sa Imus, si JP Bilenson later on.
If I'm not mistaken, Doligon and Malong Marquez were... We'll check that later.
Yeah, because I think I remember that combination. Alam ko nagkakampi to
Go down low to Mark Doligon. Size advantage against Dylan Darbin. 5 points early on.
bigger hands in the MPBL. Itong si Mark Doligon. Kaya i-palm yung bola
Justin Padua.
Better their records. And it's very important for these guys to have a good rhythm, good pass.
Team basketball, but Red Eusebio.
May laro din, no? Maybe a little bit undersized at that position, but he pretty much understands how to play the game. Yeah, Mitchell -2, that's right. That one I was a bit surprised that Mitchell Minus got, released.
What the one that they got?
Yung profile ng roster, maaring may mga log jam sa mga ibang posisyon. Sobrang dami na nagkakapare-pareho. And you have to have a variety of profile of players. Oh, what a block!
A nice block inside. Straight but long. Rebounded once again by Ian Pardo. No look pass to Dylan Darbin. Cannot get. Padua jumper is good. Pero minsan na lang ako magtanong, coach Si John Abate, nilapitan ko. Hey John, how do you say it? John Abate or John Abate? Alam mo sagot niya? Up to you, man. Here he is with the basketball. Try to go under, but stolen by Mark Doligon. John Fa with the ball. John Fa runs. The fast break is good.
His name really is Mike. Mike rin siya. Dami namin Mike sa village namin. And so to create separation amongst the other Mikes, ang naging tawag sa kanya, Miking.
Kahit matapunan mo ng kape, talagang walang sira yan.
So, nice move. Good block.
Second chance, left hand is good.